Hello everyone, my name is Babu G V. I recently completed Bachelor of Engineering in the stream of Computer Science from NCS Institute of Technology. I am happy to share that I have been selected for LG Soft with a package of 4.9 LPA. So I joined Dhee Coding Lab through CSR Drive and I enrolled for Java full stack, and it gave me a great opportunity to improve my technical skills, and the coding sessions helped me to improve my problem solving abilities. The presentation sessions helped me to improve my communication skills, and mock interviews are helping me to gain the confidence. So I would like to thank Puneet sir, Kiran sir, Sanjay sir, and Agra sir for their continuous support and guidance throughout the selection placement process, and their technical teaching approach helped me to understand the concept very clearly and prepare for the interviews. And I would like to thank our placement team for providing placement opportunities and support throughout the placement process. So my experience at Dhee Coding Lab was very valuable. Dhee Coding Lab played a very important role to secure a position at LG Soft. I would highly recommend students, those who want to improve their technical skills, communication skills, as well as those who want to start career in IT industry, come and join this year. Thank you.